How to change notification bar on iOS 17. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings area. Here, and your settings will look like this. First and foremost is you have to make sure that you are updated to the recent iOS. So all you have to do is to go here to your general, click on general, and here you will see software update. Tap on that, and here you will see that you have to update your application. Now, if your phone is already updated to iOS 17, then what you can do to be able to change your notification bar in iOS 17 is to go back here to your settings and go to notifications. Here is actually above sounds and haptics. Tap on notifications, and as you can see, it's currently displayed as stack here, where my notification bar are stacked. Now, it's either if you don't like to see the notification bar stacking, then what you can do is to tap on count here, display as count, so how many notification you will see. That's the only way you can see your notification bar. Or if you want to see all of them directly, then you can click on list here, where it will immediately follow through the notifications that you have. And here you can actually have show previews, so where you can actually read your notification. So you can put when you unlock your phone, or just never, or if you want to read them while not opening your phone, then you can tap on always. But for me, I would rather to choose it when I unlock my phone. And basically here for screen sharing, your notifications are off. And basically here you will see the notifications here. These are the applications that can be on your notification. And basically that's it. That is how you change your notification bar on iOS 17, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.